Hello lovely family, welcome once again to our skincare channel. Please, if you are stopping by, don't forget to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that we can move this family ahead. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own whitening soap. This soap can whiten your skin from 1 shade lighter to 2 shade lighter depending on your skin type. So please guys, let's continue. I'm using Asantee Papaya soap. I'm using 2 of it. You can use 4. Now also add in my Ghana white soap. Right, I'm going to grate my Asantee Papaya soap into pieces so that it can make it easy for me to mash it. After I have finished grating my soap, I'm going to add in my Ghana white soap. I'm adding in 1 because I'm making a little batch. Please, you can decide to add in 3. After adding my Ghana white soap, I'm going to add in my snow white powder. That's my powders, my whitening powders or whitening additives. My first one is the snow white powder. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my snow white powder into my soap. And right now I'm going to dissolve my azelaic acid powder with my propylene glycol. The PG stands for propylene glycol, to let the soap penetrate into your skin very well. I will also add in my egg yolk powder, 1 tablespoon of my egg yolk powder, whilst I dissolve my Azelaic powder. I'm now also going to add in my Allantoin powder for skin reactions. I'm adding in half tablespoon of my Allantoin powder. I'll also add in my Kojic acid powder. We have 2 different kinds of Kojic acid. We have the deep and we have the Kojic acid. This one is not stable, so I will be adding 1 tablespoon to my soap, but it's whitening the skin very well. I'll also add in my Giga white powder. I'll add in 1/3 cup of my Giga white powder, which is 32 ml of my Giga white powder, into my soap. I'll also dissolve my Filipino set, 1 tablespoon each of this solution and the powder, and I will dissolve my Filipino set. Please, I'm adding into my soap. This soap can lighten your skin from 1 shade to 3 shade lighter. Please, if you don't want your skin to be lightened or brightened or tony, please don't do this soap, because this soap is for fair person. And I'm also going to add in my aloe vera gel. I'm adding 1/3 cup, so I'm adding 2 of my 1/3 cup into my soap. I've added in my aloe vera gel. Right now I'm going to add in my stretch firming water. I cannot do my soap without adding in my stretch firming water. I love it very well. I have added in my 1/3 cup of it, my stretch firming water. Right now I have dissolved my Azelaic solution, so I have added into my soap. I'll pour the solution into my soap, and I'm going to add in my honey. Honey is very good for moisturizing. I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of my honey into my soap. I'll also add in my coconut oil. I'll add in my 1/3 cup of my coconut oil. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell. Please write your comments. Let us read more of your comments. Tell us what you wish us to do for you. We are there to serve you guys. Then I will mash my soap a little bit and I'll add the rest of my ingredient to it. I'm going to add in my Shalom oil. I'll add in 1/3 cup of my Shalom oil. This Shalom oil is very good for stretch marks. It works like a magic for stretch marks. And I'll be also adding in my collagen extract oil. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of it. So let's add the 2 tablespoons of our collagen extract oil. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm going to add in my argan oil. Argan oil is very good for the skin. It treats all skin problems like stretch marks. So I'm adding 1/3 cup of it. I'm doing this soap for someone who wants to repair her skin. So I'm doing it for someone. And also I will be adding in my Whitening Glycerin. This soap will treat all your skin problems on your skin. It will treat the stretch marks, it will treat the green veins, it will treat all the problems. So I'm going to also add in my Labidjanaise repair oil. This Labidjanaise repair carrot oil is a repair oil or a treatment oil. So I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of it. I'll also add in my anti-reactions oil. I'll also add in my neem oil, 1 tablespoon of my neem oil. Neem oil is very good for eczema. It's very good for dark spots. It's very good for acne. It's very good for pimples. It's very good for a lot of skin problems. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it. And I also add in my bio oil. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my bio oil or bio oil. 2 tablespoons of it. And I'll add in my last ingredient. That's my preservative. Please, you don't need to add in perfume because the soap itself smells good. I'll be adding in 1/2 tablespoon of my preservative. It's very nice. It smells nice and good. So then I'll mash it and cover it for 2 days. Before I'll mash it, this is the 2 days time. I am mashing it in a 2 days time. Please, I cover it very well for the ingredient to soak in. And I mash. This is the 3rd day. So right now we are going to mash and also like put it into our container. This soap will never change color. The color will be like this. You can do it and sell it. If you want it more thick than this one, you can add in rice powder or any thickening agent to it, or add more soap to it, guys. And this recipe is so simple that you can do it. Please try to write the recipe so that you can formulate it yourself. It's simple and also it is very good to do it by yourself, guys. So see how our soap look like. It look like yummy. It's nice and it will never change color. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please like, share and comment. See you on my next video. I love you guys. God bless you.